In a lot of mechanics-related problems, we assume that the Earth makes a circular trajectory around the Sun, but that's actually not entirely accurate. Kepler's first law states that planets actually make an elliptical rotation around the Sun. This endpoint of the ellipse that's close to the Sun is called the perihelion. This endpoint of the ellipse that's far from the Sun is called the aphelion. Let's say that we're trying to find a system of equations for the semi-major axis. Now, as you can see, we've labeled the semi-major axis as A. What I'm going to start by doing is looking at the left side of this ellipse. If I take this distance A and I subtract off this distance C, notice I'm going to be left with only the distance of the perihelion. So we have a way to set up this equation. We just take our semi-major axis and subtract off C, and then we say that this whole thing is going to equal the distance to the perihelion. For the second equation, let's look at the right side of the ellipse. We have the same length for our semi-major axis, but notice how I need to take A and I need to add it to this C. This will give me the entire distance from the aphelion to the Sun, which in this case is 1.52 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. So this right here is the system of equations that you would need. That's how you can solve this problem.